Hello, this is Renee with Pretty Things, Home Decor and Lifestyle, and today's video features a tablescape, and I am participating in a collaboration, and it is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY channel and Amethyst Adventures, and so I will link their channels below in my description box, and so I'm inviting you to go over and to check out their channels as well. So this is part of the Tablescape Tuesday series that they're hosting, and I am also sharing a Christmas in July video. So that's the theme of my tablescape. But be sure you check out those ladies and the videos of the other participants as well. And these are some of the items that I'm going to be using. I'm going to stick with the basic white plates. So I may show a variety of ideas that you can do for a tablescape. So I'm using black napkins, and I have these salad plates here with the Christmas tree design on them. And then I have the gold salad plates and the red ones. So if you're interested to see how these ideas turn out, continue watching. Okay, so folks, this is how this one turned out with the buffalo print chargers. And again, I'm just using the basic white plates. And I got my grandson here helping me out too. And so, and I have the black napkins. I'm sticking with those, guys. I've just kind of moved a few weeks ago and I'm still getting settled and finally finding some things. So don't have my flatware on the table. So this is how this one turned out with the buffalo print. So my grandson and I, we're going to switch things out just a little bit and let you see another idea we are coming up with. So if you want to see another quick little tablescape, we're just keeping the same centerpiece here with the candles and just changing out, I think, our chargers and a salad plate. So, okay, let's see what our next idea looks like. Our second idea, we just switched out the chargers and the salad plates. So we have a gold theme going out and with a little bit more elegance. Of course, I'm sticking with my basic red tablecloth. I didn't want to change that out. I do have a white one, but we're just going along with this one. So this is our second idea. And we have one more for you guys. I appreciate you for hanging in there with me. Okay, here's our last and final option here. We decided to go with the red charger, the white dinner plate, the red salad plate, and then I decided maybe we would put this plate on top, maybe a dessert plate, or we can call that a dessert plate instead of a salad plate. And so this is my third idea. So I'd love for you to comment below which one did you like the best. And so I think I'll probably go with red, maybe as my color scheme for this year. just going with a traditional red tablescape in December. But these are just some ideas before December gets here. And again, this is part of a collaboration, and this is part of my Christmas in July series. Thanks so much for watching, my faithful subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for hanging in there with me as I grow. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed.